Welcome back to 2M2X, 2-minute videos on digital transformation brought to you by Informulate. This week, we're continuing our topic on knowledge management. If you haven't checked out the first part of this topic, check out episode 48 on how you can approach it. Of course, there are several easy-to-use tools out there, such as Atlassian, Stack Overflow, Zendesk, etc. But more importantly, you need to know how to reduce the cognitive load on the consumers of the knowledge base by organizing the content well. You can do that by doing two things. Organize the content in a way that is familiar to the users, and two, standardize the types of content there are. At Informulate, we recommend you think about organizing your knowledge base by roles and by process milestones. So for a software team, you would have knowledge tagged by roles, such as developer, QA, etc., but also by process steps, such as project kickoff, proposal writing, etc. That way, you allow a user to find all content related to a process that they're a part of, but also filter out content that is not relevant to a user based on their role. Another way to make the KB accessible is to limit the types of content there are. Your approval process should filter not just for content relevance, but also for content format. You are free to make your own decisions here, but at Informulate, we've limited our articles to just 4 types of content. First, checklists. In my opinion, flat checklists with yes/no questions are the most usable things there are. Check out Atul Gawande's book called Checklist Manifesto to learn just how powerful they can be. Second, contextual content. This is content that helps to orient new employees or team members on how things work. It could be about role definitions, philosophy, etc. But keep these to a minimum since we don't want to clutter the KB with a lot of wordy documents. Third, tips and tricks. This should be searchable, role-specific advice, especially for technical solutions to recurring problems. Fourth, document templates. These are super valuable to have. Templates for proposals, status reports, etc. help to standardize and enforce consistency. Hope that helps you along in your knowledge management journey, and I will see you next week.